Okay everyone, let's write our very first Python program. And the tradition is, the first program that people generally write in a programming language is something called Hello World. And all it does is it just displays Hello World on the screen. So we're going to do that in Python right now. So as I'm typing along on the editor here, if you can follow along on your devices, that would be great. So let's get started. To display something on the screen, we're going to use a function, which is a little word in Python that is giving it a command to follow. And the function we're using is print. So print is not actually going to print something to the printer, it's actually going to display it to the screen. So we're going to type that in, print. Notice it turns into a different shade of color there. We're not English students, so we don't have to start with a capital P at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so it's just print. We're going to open up a round bracket, which is Shift 9 on the keyboard. And you can see there the editor has placed its cursor in the middle of the brackets there. And then inside the brackets, we're going to open up a quotation mark. And inside that, we're going to write whatever it is that we want Python to display on the screen. So in this case, we're going hello, comma, world. Okay, and that's our first program. In order to see it actually run and see the effect of it, we're going to go up here to the run button, and we're going to click on that. And then we should see the text appear over here on the right-hand side of the screen, which is going to be the output for our programs. So that is our very first Python program. And if you've never done any Python programming before, congratulations, you are now a Python programmer, and it wasn't that hard, was it?